trade recap. I got a bit to talk about as well. Took a loss again after two break-even trades. So one of the break-even trades would have actually worked, right? Because the second break-even and the first break-even, they were both from re-entries. So I think I didn't have the balls to hold it. I go break-even way too quick. What? Why is there so many long positions? Anyway, what the hell? And then I actually tried to go short right here. Only range lows. And I know the short was dumb. It's funny because as it happened, at this point, I was literally like, okay, we're at a point now where price has swept good topside liquidity, or like reswept, sorry. Let me show you. At 18 past. So yeah, it's come above, it's swept some topside liquidity here on ES. And then it's coming bearish. And when it comes bearish like that and retraces into imbalance here, so it's come bearish, retraces into imbalance here. Then when it comes up and comes into this imbalance, it's either we respect it, go bearish, or inverse it, go bullish. And I was like, oh yeah, we'll go bullish. And it respected it bearish here, but we didn't break below. Respected it bearish here, but it also was just a huge bearish candle that happened like that. And to me, I was like, that's a weird bit of manipulation. So I was like, maybe people are going to go bearish. And that was me being retarded. I was like, oh, get in with the big guys. But they were probably selling off all their longs. Retarded of me. Fucking retarded. And then here we get re-respect. So that was that. These were the longs here. I'll explain those as well. So coming into session, NASDAQ was at all-time highs. Gay. ES. Is now at all-time highs, but it wasn't. Up on top there. In the bag on the left. And then ES wasn't at all-time highs, and ES was coming up. We had hourly gap below with London lows stacked, so that would have been a good manipulation piece. Either pre-market, I was like, okay, we'll either get the move. What? That is not market open. Here, this is where it happened. Yeah. So that move, blah 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 blah, continued up. Pre-market we had this below. So if we had the manipulation, a little bit of manipulation above here for ES coming up to take these New York highs from previous, if we came up and took them and then dumped, I would have traded down to these. But since we took them, right? So what happened is we tapped them here, then we went below. Then I was like, oh, booyah, we're looking for re-entry 1 gazillion bazillion%. And then so here on NASDAQ, got the respect here. I should have been in on this one, but it was just on too short of a time frame, right? Why is it so chopped? It was on too short of a time frame. Well, that's what I felt like. It probably wasn't, to be honest. With the good price action, it probably wasn't. Because it tapped it, and then we got the bearish reaction, then it came bullish. And as you can see, it re-tapped. But this re-tap here literally just came to refill this same gap. It was just a re-tap of the exact same shit. And if you say it wasn't, it was also a bottom side divergence. Here and here. So this at 43 was also entry. And I just got in way too late. Like, yeah. I guess I should have been on earlier on that shit. Yeah, but that's that. Should have taken that short. That's for fucking sure. I literally knew that motherfucker was going to go bullish as well. But I don't know if there even was the bullish move there. We inverse it. And there's only that little tap, and I would have been in there. Which is shit, because as you can see, it just goes sideways as price action dies. Maybe there's a... Yeah, it just has the price action absolutely bumping. Yeah, wow. So that's that. A bit fucked, but that's alright. It's alright.